Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Moinul Islam and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how the Malaysia they fix the road, they repairing the road when the road gonna crack. So how they fix it up, that I'm gonna show you today. So here it is, we have some instruments and materials that we gonna use. You can see the name there, have a plaque, stick light, super cone. Then we have some like arrow sign, walk sign. We have some fast lane sign, slow lane sign. These all we're using when you're gonna fix the road. So this is actually our compression machine. This is a drilling rod where we gonna drill the road. This is a generator, and this is super cone which we gonna put on the road. And this is cone, this is our signal point. So we gonna just put it here, arrow light. This is our hydraulic pack where we gonna put the polyethylenes and isocyanates. So here it is, the all kinds of instruments. You can see the well. So first of all, what we gonna do, we need to cut some GI pipe by using cutting machine, because these pipes actually we gonna use it on the highway when we repairing or fixes up the crack. Basically we are going to grouting on the road, because the road already has been cracked. So to fix it up that crack, we gonna use the grouting. So we have some machine and we press the isocyanate and polyethylene together, that we gonna put it inside the road, so the crack become like before. So this is actually our signal point which one I'm gonna use before. So this is actually highway. This is Klang highway. It's in Shah Alam Klang highway. So this actually project we gonna fix it up, because the road actually has been cracked. The bridge and the road, I mean the level, are not same because of crack, or maybe something collapsed already below the ground. That's why the road and the road surface level and the bridge surface level is not equal. That's why when the car is going on that particular area, the car actually jump. So it is the risk, because it's a highway, Klang highway in Malaysia. This is very busy road. So that kinds of particular things makes us accident. So we're gonna repair. And it's true that we can't we can't excavate all, because this is highway. Every day a lot of heavy the cars and vehicles actually use this road, so we can't stop there. So what we can do, we just need to work it night. I can say after 12 a.m. We're gonna start our work and we finish it before subuh. So you can see the coring machine. Actually we are coring the highway by using this machine. We are just coring. So we need to coring this, around 5 meter depth. And there are will be total 36 points, because we're gonna coring test here. And they have a mechanical drill, as you can see. So we can also drill 2 meter depth. So this 5 meter depth and 2 meter depth, this actual we gonna grout by using isocyanate or polyethylene. So later I will show you the isocyanate and polyethylene how you're gonna do this. So you can see that now we're gonna drilling the coring by using this machine. So basically this is some groups they are doing drilling, and some groups they are doing coring. So both are actually drilling the highway, and we're gonna grouting over there inside this point. We're gonna grouting later on, you can see. So I told you that there are 36 points we're gonna drilling and coring. So it's not an easy way, it's a very hard, because the layer of this road is very hard. The thickness of this road is I think is around 1 feet, because this is the only the concrete or bitumen thickness is more than 1 feet, so it's very tough to drill and coring. So we need to use this machine, otherwise we can't do this. So in every single point we're gonna grout. You can see that we are doing grouting. The one person is doing coring, another person is doing drilling, and another person is doing the grouting. On almost what point we have done, we just start to do grouting. So this is actually there have a isocyanate and polyethylene. These two chemicals actually we mix it up together, then we just grouting. This is actually I can say it's one kind of liquid, but when we grout inside, so it gonna very I can show you how we can do this. You can see this is the liquid actually. So when we coring or drilling one point, so this is actually we gonna coring here. So after we coring this we just put inside the our rod. Then here it is, the isocyanate and polyethylene chemical, these two chemical, you can see we just put it there. Why? Because after a while this one will be very hard layer, so then this pipe actually cannot come out when we pressure here. So you can see that after a while this will be very hard, and like it will be come out outside also. So now it's, you can see that what happening here. So by this, I mean this pipe, we're gonna grout inside after, I mean like 5 meter down. So first of all we need to just tight it. See, it's gonna come out. So similar way for every points we're gonna do this, then we just grout here. I can show you another one, you can see it properly. So we need to just mix it up, these two chemicals, isocyanate and polyethylenes, and you need to just put it inside. So it's gonna be very hard layer, then the pipe cannot come out when you're gonna grouting here by using hydraulic pump. And we have to be very careful every time, so we need to be use our hand gloves and everything, because these chemicals if you just use it without gloves, then it's gonna be very tough for you. Like this is very you can see later on it's automatically come out. So you can see it's gonna fill out, it's gonna one kind of bloat, and it's gonna be very hard layer, very hard. So that's why actually when we grouting, when we inject these two chemicals inside the ground, I mean the ground below the ground level, where actually maybe collapse or maybe there have some voids. So when this liquid go through inside the road, so that particular voids actually will be covered by using this chemical, so the layer will be very hard. So this is actually we gonna use it for this pipe, that when you pump this by using hydraulic pump, so this pipe try to come out. But for this particular chemicals, so this chemical actually I mean properly, join here, so it cannot become out. So here it is, the chemical that we just try to take. So this is there are two pipes, you can see. So the one pipe, from one pipes comes isocyanate chemicals, from another pipes comes polyethylenes chemicals. So these two chemicals later on mix it up and go through inside the pipe and just go through the level of the ground level of the soil. So then the outside of this area, the liquid will be go and spread the outside all the crack area where we just selected before. And it will be blowed or will be a very hard layer, then the void will be covered and the surface layer will be very high. So you can see by using hydraulic pump, the one person is doing this. In Malaysia, most of the roads actually, if cracked, then they do this. So when we finish, then you have to, I mean, take out the all liquids, otherwise it's gonna be problem later. So here it is, our all photos. You can see what we have done. So this is actually liquids. So these two liquids actually we are using for grouting. So this is actually the we couldn't do this properly. we, Here it is, the crack. Basically these two liquids need to be imported from other countries. Malaysia don't have, so they need to import this. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.